Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook professional dashboard not working. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you tap on your Facebook app. Next, tap on this icon. Scroll down little bit. Tap on your storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on your clear cache. After that, tap on your Facebook clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store application. Search here Facebook. You can see that your Facebook apps is already update and latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Facebook apps, tap on this. Now tap on your three dot icon. After that, tap on your profile. You can see there that your professional dashboard. Tap on this. You can see that your professional dashboard. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank